So we were discussing seedless vascular plant, the subdivision, like one subdivision was done in last video. Today we are going with the subdivision, which is lycopsida. Subdivision, which is lycopsida. So let's start. First thing, they are commonly called as club mousses, and they are also they survive or they live on tropical region. So it's like this is a condition. If I just tell you, wait a moment. I mean, plant. This is an exceptional. Otherwise, it's only giving you information. Plant survive on 3 conditions. So it's like first one, which you will see, is like tropical. Second one you see is temperate, and third one which you will see would be subtropical. So there's a difference. So first thing, tropical are those where temperature they survive on high temperature. So this means they need high temperature for their survival, whereas temperate is like where temperature is like average or normal. Okay, and we have wait a moment. In this temperate we have temperature which is low, like lower. Here temperature would be high, and tropical temperate, which means where temperature become low, and subtropical which is called as average temperature. But now we are talking about, like, in this subdivision lycopsida they live on a tropical region. This means we are talking about this one. So this means here temperature would be high. I'm sure it's clear. And they are the first plant to evolve true roots. Like before that we were having rhizoids. Rhizoids is like, if this is the body, down on their surface for conservation of water, for so many purpose, they were roots, not roots, but they were rhizoids. And rhizoids were also called as pseudo roots. Pseudo words means false, and roots, of course, you know. So pseudo, this means they were false roots, not true, in last division. But now there was an adaptation, or like there was few advancement in this. Two roots were there, not rhizoids. So this means no purpose of this information, like no purpose here. So I'm going to delete this. Well, I'm sure it's clear to you. Well, then, like, they have two roots, and they will also suppose like that roots arise from the branches of ancestor of alga, arise from ancestors of alga. And you'll also see that the sporophyte here, they are dichotomously branched. This means they are similar, something related to leaves. Okay, so the leaves of sporangia called sporophyll, and they have lycopodium. They have lycopodium, which are homospread. This means similar spores. homospores, and this means they have one type of, homo means same, and spores, like we're discussing sex organ, something like that. So they have one type of sex organs. And you'll also see they are Selangina, and like this is a genus, and even lycopsidium is also a genus, which is also common greenhouse plant, and they are heterospore. This means they have different sex organ. Hetero means different, so different sex organ would be in this. And you will see that they produce spores of different kinds, like they would be have large haploid spore and female gametophyte. It's like large haploid spores, and you will see that they germinate to produce female gametophyte. And they also have archegonium. They have archegonia, which is development of small microscopes. Like these are microscopes when developed, and they also develop into male gametophytes. Develop in male gametophyte. And you will see that they have antheridium as well. Antheridium, and these gametophytes are dioecious between two, some short scleral. This is all about the subdivision of lycopsida. So we also lycopsida, and we also have picture. This is the diagram you can see. I cannot zoom it, but this is the diagram or the life cycle of Serengenia. So it's like we discussed Selangina, which is a common greenhouse plant. So this only the division. So you can see in the middle there, from fertilization to meiosis, we have zygote, then storocytes, then these all structure are being made. In the end, you'll see here sperm is going to be made. So I'm sure it's clear. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.